Hello students, in this session let me consider dimensional formula for some of the special physical quantities which are frequently used in the branch called what? Electricity. So when you are dealing with a branch called electricity, frequently we come across some of the physical quantities such as electric charge. Next comes what? Electric current. Next comes what? Voltage or potential difference. Next comes what? Resistance. So these are the frequently used physical quantities related to the branch in physics called what? Electricity. So among these physical quantities, you know very well, electric current is a fundamental physical quantity. Electric current is a fundamental physical quantity. Therefore, the dimensional formula for electric current is square bracket of A. What is the dimensional formula for electric current? The dimensional formula for electric current is square bracket of A, because electric current is a fundamental physical quantity. So now I will consider the physical quantities which are related to the branch in physics called what? Electricity. So first physical quantity what I am considering here is electric charge. Electric charge. So the electric charge is generally denoted by symbol Q. Electric charge here. So the electric charge is a physical quantity, and let me obtain the dimensional formula for what? This physical quantity. For this, let me take the definition for what? Current. Electric current can be calculated by using the formula charge divided by time. What is the formula for electric current? Electric current I can be calculated by using the formula charge divided by time. You know very well, symbolically electric current is represented by I. Charge is represented by what? Q. T is a time. Therefore, the electric current is given by Q by T. Then we want electric charge here. Therefore, the electric charge Q can be written as what? I into T. Q can be written as I into T here. Therefore, what is the formula for charge now? That is electric charge. Charge can be written as what? I is electric current. I is electric current. What is T here? Electric current multiplied by time. Electric current multiplied by time here. Therefore, what is the dimensional formula for electric current? As I said, electric current is a fundamental physical quantity. Therefore, the dimensional formula for electric current is square bracket of A multiplied by time is square bracket of T. Therefore, what is the dimensional formula for what? Charge here. The dimensional formula for charge is A to the power 1 T to the power 1. This is the dimensional formula for what? Electric charge. So M power 0, L power 0, it's understood it is M power 0, L power 0, A power 1 and T power 1. This is the dimensional formula for the first physical quantity, that is called charge. So what is the dimensional formula for charge here? Charge is given by A to the power 1, T to the power 1. Okay, this is the dimensional formula for electric charge. Note down. Now I will go for the next physical quantity. Next one, let me take another physical quantity here. That is second one in the electricity. The physical quantity what I am considering here is voltage. Voltage. Sometimes voltage is also called potential difference. Voltage is also called potential difference here. So voltage is generally represented by the symbol V. Voltage or potential difference here. So the formula for voltage, that is in general work done in electricity work done or simply work done when the charge displaces from one point to the another point is generally given by what? Q into V. Work done is given by Q into V. Whenever you are dealing with electricity, work done by the charge is generally calculated by using the formula work is equals to Q into V here. What is Q? Q is called charge, V is called voltage. Of course, here it is a work it is. We want to V here. That is V is nothing but voltage here. Voltage can be written as work divided by what? Q. In general, what is the formula for voltage? The formula for voltage is, what is the formula for voltage? Work done divided by charge. So work done divided by charge, we will call it as what it is? Voltage. Work done divided by charge, we will call it as a voltage here. What is the dimensional formula for work? M to the power 1, L to the power 2, T to the power minus 2. Work done is given by M to the power 1, L to the power 2 and T to the power minus 2 divided by, what is charge here? Already we obtained the dimensional formula for charge. That is given by A to the power 1, T to the power 1. This is the dimensional formula for charge. Now you can simplify. What is the dimensional formula for voltage? Tell me. Simplify here. M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2. You take T power 1 to the numerator. It will become T power minus 1. Already we have T power minus 2 there. Therefore the total it will become T power minus 3. Therefore what I can write? M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3 and take this A power 1 to the numerator. It will become A to the power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for what? Voltage. So what is the dimensional formula for voltage? The dimensional formula for voltage is given by M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3 and A power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for voltage. Okay, you can write the dimensional formula for voltage here. What is the dimensional formula for voltage? M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3, A power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for the next physical quantity, that is called voltage. So now I will go for another physical quantity here. Third one in this list, that is called resistance. Resistance. That is electrical resistance denoted by R. Resistance, or it is the formula for resistance is R is equals to, very famous formula by Ohm's law. R is equals to V by I. What is the meaning of R is equals to V by I? R is nothing but resistance here. Resistance is equals to, what is V? Voltage divided by, what is I here? Current. That is electric current. Resistance dimensional formula can be obtained by using the formula voltage divided by what? Current. Okay. What is the dimensional formula for voltage? Already we obtained. Substitute here. M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3 and A power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for the physical quantity that is called resistance. Dimensional formula for resistance. M1, L2, T power minus 3 and A power minus 1. You can write the dimensional formula for resistance here. M1, L2, sorry. What is resistance? What is the dimensional formula for voltage? Dimensional formula for voltage is M1, L2 t power minus 3 a power minus 1 divided by current. What is current? Current is a fundamental physical quantity. Its dimensional formula is a to the power 1. Therefore, what I can write? M1 next L2 t power minus 3. Take a power 1 to the numerator. It will become a power minus 1. Already we have one term of a power minus 1. Total it will be a power minus 2. A power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for resistance. M1 L2 t power minus 3 and a power minus 2. Okay. This is the dimensional formula for resistance. That is third physical quantity. Next physical quantity what I am considering here is capacitance. Next is capacitance. Capacitance denoted by the symbol C. Capacitance. So the formula for capacitance is C is equals to what? Q by V. C is equals to Q by V. What is Q here? Q is charge, V is voltage. Therefore, capacitance is given by Q. What is Q? Charge. What is Q? Charge divided by what? V. What is V? Voltage. Charge by voltage. Substitute the dimensional formula for charge. Already we have the dimensional formula for charge, that is A1 T1. This is the dimensional formula for charge divided by what is the dimensional formula for voltage, that is M1 L2 t power minus 3 a power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for voltage. Now transfer these terms. M to the power 1 you transfer to the numerator. It will become M power minus 1. Next L to the power 2 you transfer to the numerator. L power minus 2. T power minus 3 you transfer to the numerator. It will become T power plus 3. Already we have plus 1 there. Therefore total it will be T power 4. A power minus 1 you take to the numerator. It will become A power plus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for what? Capacitance. What is the dimensional formula for capacitance? C is equals to M power minus 1 L power minus 2 T power plus 4 A power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for what? Capacitance. As I said you, meaning of all the physical quantities we are going to learn in PUC first year as well as PUC second year physics. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ physical quantity meaning ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು PUC ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಿ. ಈಗ ಬರೀ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ dimensional formula as well as unit of a physical quantity. As I said, if you know the dimensions, you will come to know how given derived physical quantity depends on fundamental physical quantity. One thing. Second thing, if you know the dimensional formula of any physical quantity, you can write its SI unit, provided the SI unit should not be a name of a scientist. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿದು SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿದು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. What is the dimensional formula for speed? You tell me. What is the dimensional formula for speed? M power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for speed or what? Velocity. This is the dimensional formula for speed or velocity. Suppose if you know the dimensional formula, I will ask you to write SI unit of speed or velocity. How you are writing SI unit of speed or velocity? By using dimensional formula. Dimensional formula ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು? ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್. M ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಓಕೆ. L ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಹಿಯರ್. T ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಮಾಸ್, ಲೆಂತ್, ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ. If I ask what is the SI unit of speed, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Mass is measured in kg. SI unit ನಲ್ಲಿ mass is measured in kg, kg to the power 0, because m to the power 0. Length is measured in meter. Okay na? Length is measured in meter. Therefore m to the power ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರೆ +1. Time is measured in second. Time is measured in second. Therefore s to the power, time is measured in second. Therefore t ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು? s to the power any quantity to the power 0 is equals to 1. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, a to the power 0 equals to 1, 10 to the power 0 equals to 1, x to the power 0 equals to 1. Any quantity whole to the power 0 is always equals to 1 from the knowledge of mathematics. ಇದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಇದು 1 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಉಳಿತೇನು ನಮಗೆ? m ಪವರ್ 1 s ಪವರ್ -1. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್? ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್? SI unit of what? Speed. SI unit of speed. So we obtained SI unit of speed from what? The knowledge of dimensions. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ CGS ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, what is the CGS unit of speed? What is the unit of speed in CGS system? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, m is mass. Mass is measured in gram in CGS system, g to the power 0. Length is measured in centimeter to the power 1. Time is measured in second to the power -1. Once again, any number to the power 0 is equals to 1. Here centimeter, here s to the power -1. What it is? Centimeter per second. What is centimeter per second? Centimeter per second is a unit of speed in CGS system. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? If you know the dimensional formula of any physical quantity, you can write its SI unit. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Density. We can take the example of what? Density. Okay? Density. What is the dimensional formula for density? You tell me. The dimensional formula for density is given by m power 1, L power -3 and T power 0. This is the dimensional formula for what? Density. Already done. If I ask, what is the SI unit of density? Density the SI unit ಏನು? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, m ಅಂದ್ರೆ mass. Mass is measured in kg. SI system ನಲ್ಲಿ mass is measured in kg. Therefore mass is measured in kg, kg to the power 1. Length is measured in meter. Therefore meter to the power -3, because L power -3 ಇದೆ. Time is measured in second. Therefore s here, s to the power 0. We left with kg. Next, m to the power -3, any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. What we left with? Kg per meter cube. Kg per meter cube is a unit of density in which system? In SI system. Unit of density in SI system is given by kg per meter cube. Okay? Similarly, suppose if you want to write the unit of density in CGS system, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Mass is measured in gram to the power 1. Length is measured in centimeter to the power minus 3. Time is measured in second to the power 0. ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ centimeter to the power minus 3. What it is called? Gram per centimeter cube. What is gram per centimeter cube? The gram per centimeter cube is a unit of density in which system? CGS system. You refer any of the textbook. In that textbook, they didn't mention detailed calculation or determination of dimensional formula of what? Any physical quantity. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಬ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತೋರಿಸಿರಲ್ಲ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? Dimensional formula is not a method to by heart. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು dimensional formula by heart ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. You should know the dimensional formula, how to obtain the dimensional formula with the help of some formula. I will recommend you, I will give one assignment. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, in your notebook make 3 columns. In your notebook make 3 columns. First column, second column and third column. Make 3 columns. First column nalli, in the first column you have to write the name of physical quantity. Name of physical quantity. Physical quantity. First column nalli. Okay na? Second column SI unit. Athwa second column is dimensional formula. Second column is a dimensional formula. Third column is its SI unit. Third column is SI. So, how many physical quantity you will get in what? Textbooks. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, write their dimensional formula, write their SI. See for example, first physical quantity, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ density ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First physical quantity is density. What is the dimensional formula for density? M to the power 1, L to the power minus 3, T to the power 0. So dimensional formula is SI unit, what it is? kg per meter. Like this you make a list of what? Physical quantities. This table is very important for